Hey guys, as promised, I'm going to share with you my complete long-term protective style regimen. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. I posted a 2-part series in the past where I went over details on what I do before, during, and after wearing braids. Those videos have tons of valuable information, some of which are not covered in this video. So if braids or twists are part of your hair regimen, make sure to watch them. Let's start with the hair. I'm a creature of habit, so I usually get the same type of hair over and over again. But please don't feel like you have to go and get this same type of braiding hair. I remember that I used to do that after watching a YouTube video. For me, as long as it was Kanekalon hair, it didn't really matter. They're all pretty much the same thing. As my natural hair bulked up and got longer and longer, I had to make my braids longer and longer. And the weight of the Kanekalon hair is just way too much tension on my scalp and my neck. So I switched to yarn because it's a lot lighter. Disclaimer! So here's the thing with yarn. You basically have 3 main options: acrylic, cotton, or wool. Acrylic is really a petroleum-based plastic and a carcinogen that's linked to brain, lung, and bowel cancer, and can cause eye, nose, throat, and skin irritations. Cotton is usually grown with tons of toxic pesticides. You can find organic cotton, but if you want the color to match your hair, you're still exposing yourself to high amounts of toxins. And wool comes straight from the sheep and can have all sorts of nasty things in it. Also, the method used to collect the wool is painful and traumatic for the sheep. Synthetic hair is no better too. With that said, this will be the last time I'll be using yarn or synthetic hair of any kind in my hair. In the future, if I do braid my hair, I'm gonna use human hair. What works best for you is your choice. So I'm gonna use this yarn to show my process. It's the same process and regimen I would do with human hair. Whatever type of hair you use, it's best to wash it first, especially if it's human hair. It's really easy. Plug your sink, fill it up with some hot water, a moisturizing shampoo of your choice, and a cup of apple cider vinegar. Don't drive yourself crazy with measurements. My sink is big as hell and I only used 1 cup. Secure the hair as much as possible and dip it into the water. You're not washing clothes, so be gentle. Keep the hair together and move it back and forth a few times. You can give it a little shake, just make sure to keep it together. Let it sit for a few minutes. Then fill a separate bowl with cold water and place the hair into the cold water. Not so much with yarn, but if this were human hair, the cold water will help relax the cuticles and keep the hair from getting dull. Gently wring out the water and let it air dry, or if it's human hair, you can blow it out on low heat. I know it's the norm to wash and blow out your hair before installing braids, but I strongly don't agree with that. I don't wash and blow out my hair before installing braids. In fact, I do the opposite. I wait until I have full sebum coverage before installing braids. My hair is the strongest when it's fully coated with my sebum. It doesn't break as easily and can withstand the drying effects of the added hair or yarn better. Below are links to videos where I show you how I achieve full sebum coverage. Now you know how I prep the hair and how I prep my hair. In the next video, I'm going to show you how I install the braids and details on how I care for my hair while it's in braids. Guess what, guys? It's my birthday! I'm 34, so I'm in my 30s. Shout out to all my fellow Pisceans and water signs. I want to celebrate my birthday by giving you a 20% off coupon code. You can apply it to any order placed on the Green Beauty website before Monday. Put your birthday below in the comments section. I wonder how many birthday twins are watching. As always, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.